Hey viewers, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're pronouncing one of the cricketer names that belongs to the world of sports. He is a famous cricketer with a net worth of $4 million. He appeared in more or less 200 matches so far. Well, how do we say his name correctly? We may pronounce it as Babar Azam. Babar Azam. Babar Azam. Babar Azam. Babar Azam is known for his orthodox and elegant batting style. He holds several records, including being the fastest to 1,000 runs in T20 internationals, the second fastest to 3,000 runs in ODIs, and the most runs in a single World Cup for Pakistan. Isn't it fascinating how breaking down a word can make it clearer? If you enjoyed learning about Babar Azam, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more educational content. Thanks for watching. Remember, knowledge is power. See you next time.